Upgrade your in-car experience with the Imagebon 9-inch wireless CarPlay and Android Auto dashcam. This multifunctional device combines the convenience of wireless CarPlay and Android Auto integration with a high-resolution dash camera, a 2K rearview camera, 24-hour parking monitor, and GPS navigation. Elevate your driving safety, entertainment, and navigation with this feature-packed dashboard car DVR. Imagebon 9-inch wireless CarPlay features 9-inch touchscreen display. Enjoy a large and responsive 9-inch touchscreen display that serves as the central hub for your in-car experience. Navigate through features, control entertainment, and access settings with ease. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Stay connected seamlessly with your smartphone through wireless CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Access your favorite apps, make calls, send messages, and enjoy a familiar interface directly from the dashboard. 2K rearview camera. Capture high-quality video with the included 2K rearview camera. Enhance your safety by getting a clear view of the road behind you, aiding in parking, reversing, and overall situational awareness. 24-hour parking monitor. The built-in parking monitor provides around-the-clock surveillance for your vehicle. Rest assured that your car is protected even when parked, with the dash cam capturing any incidents or events. GPS navigation. Enjoy reliable GPS navigation directly from the dashboard. Receive turn-by-turn directions, real-time traffic updates, and convenient points of interest to enhance your journey. Dashboard car DVR. The integrated dash camera records your driving experiences in high resolution, providing valuable footage in case of accidents or other incidents. This feature contributes to enhanced safety and security on the road. Easy installation. The Imagebon 9-inch wireless CarPlay and Android Auto dashcam is designed for user-friendly installation. Upgrade your car's capabilities without the need for extensive technical expertise. Transform your driving experience with the Imagebon 9-inch wireless CarPlay and Android Auto dashcam. This all-in-one solution brings convenience, safety, and entertainment to your fingertips, ensuring a connected and enjoyable journey on the road.